Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 920 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Doucce Maxlash Volumizer Mascara to try out. And I'm excited to try this out because I have tried out one other Doucce, don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, feels like I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I'm just gonna go with it. I have tried out one other Doucce mascara before. It's the Punk Volumizer Mascara, and that one is really great, and I know that a lot of people love that mascara. I did a full dedicated review video on that mascara. If you want to see it, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But that makes me excited to try out more mascaras from this brand, and when I was looking this one up, it has really high ratings. What I have here is the sample size, but the full-size version retails for $22. I feel like $22 is pretty in line with non-drugstore mascaras. Interesting looking applicator. It's pretty big. I remember the other Doucce mascara has a very big wand, and the bristles on this look kind of a little bit sporadic, kind of uneven. There's like a flat part on top. Let me just show you rather than describe. So here you can see there's the flat side and it's pretty big. The bristles are not exactly uniform. Well, I'm very intrigued to see how this works, so let's go ahead and see. I don't know, it's not exactly grabbing all of my lashes. My first impression is that this wand is not very easy to work with. And since it is really big, to try and prevent getting mascara all over my eyelid, I'm holding my mirror down like this so that I'm looking down rather than looking up and getting the mascara wand onto my eyelid and creating a mess. So it's definitely taking me a while to apply this first layer, but it does seem to keep the lashes very nicely separated. So the lashes look nice and full, but it did not coat the ends of my lashes at all. So it's not super lengthening right now. But while I let that first layer dry down a little bit, I'll go ahead and apply it to my lower lash line. Oh gosh, I don't even know if I want to do that because this mascara wand is way too big for the lower lashes. Yeah, I'm trying to apply it and it's just barely getting any of the lashes. So this is not a lower lash mascara, but that's okay. In my opinion, some mascaras are meant for lower lashes, some are meant for top lashes, some are meant for both. But I do have some mascaras that have those nice small mascara wands that are great for the lower lashes, but maybe not as great for the top lashes, because I like different qualities when it comes to lower lash mascara and top lash mascara. My lower lash mascara, I just want the lashes to be lightly coated. I don't want them to be too clumpy or volumized or lengthened, really. I just want a little something on my lower lashes. But for the top lashes, I want everything. I want the curl, I want the volume, I want the length. And speaking of, as I'm layering on the second coat, I'm definitely getting a lot of volume, but the lashes are staying really separated, so that just makes them look so full, and I really do think it's starting to give a falsy effect. The only struggle is that the mascara is just not sticking to the tips of my lashes. So it's making them look shorter and stubbier than they actually are. I'm trying to kind of tap the ends of my lashes, but I've never had this experience with a mascara where it just doesn't coat the ends. I feel like on a normal day when I wasn't just reviewing this mascara, I would probably use a second mascara to get the tips of my lashes. But 2 coats is all you need because it's very buildable in volume, but it gets to that point where the lashes from the fibers start to look fuzzy. Even though there's no clumping, the lashes aren't sticking together. I just think this is as built up as I can get it. So for volumizing, this mascara is really good. It's also very true black in color. So I really like those qualities of it. I also do find it to be very curling. Like even though my lashes look kind of short right now, when I do the test of like opening my eye, they are still curled up enough that they touch my eyelid. And speaking of eyelids, I did not get any mascara on my eyelid. So the only complaint that I have is lengthening. And lengthening is pretty important to me. I have worked hard using my lash serums to grow long lashes. So I want my mascara to show the full length of my lashes. But I love how this mascara keeps every single lash separated and individually coated, even though you do have to spend some time sitting here to get that wand to touch every lash because it doesn't grab all the lashes at once. But once it does, it keeps the lashes so separated. And I don't like when my lashes stick together or get clumpy with mascara. So this is really giving that fanned out, separated, full lashes effect that I love. All right, here are my finished lashes. And this really is almost a perfect mascara. If it just had that lengthening effect, it would be perfect. But it is very impressive with how volumizing it is. It looks like I have doubled the amount of lashes that I have. It looks like I've put on some false lashes to get this amount of fullness to my lashes. So I'm very impressed by that. So if you like full lashes, then this is a great mascara to try out. If you want super long lashes, I would say try something different. But if you have tried this, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I'd be very curious if you had a similar experience as I did. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.